Do you want to do any stunt which you possibly missed out? Is there something you missed out which you want to do it again?
Absolutely not. I think I got to do a lot more than I expected to do in this film. It's like everybody's been saying, bigger, better, and I have absolutely no complaints. Usually, I would be like, in fact, John was saying the other day that there was this action sequence where I was not supposed to be as involved in the. Yeah, in the scene, I was supposed to be on the side protecting somebody, but when he saw the trailer for Akira, that's when we were shooting it, he said, no, make her do the action in this scene as well. So honestly, I got a lot more that I could ask for, and I'm so happy with the way that it's turned out.
Fantastic.
आपने इस हर फिल्म में एक्शन तो किया ही है और अभी भी एक्शन, ये फिल्म भी एक्शन वाली है, तो आपको ऐसा एक्शन करने में कितना कष्ट होता है?
नहीं, अच्छा सवाल पूछा आपने। इस फिल्म के दौरान एक सीक्वेंस जो आपने देखा, रूफ टॉप पे हम लोग एक्शन कर रहे थे, उसमें मेरा नी डैमेज हुआ। उसके बाद हंगरी में जहाँ पे हम शूट कर रहे थे, 2 नी ऑपरेशंस की हमने वहाँ पे। और अभी भी मुझे याद है, जब भी मैं गाड़ी में बैठ रहा था, विपुल जी जो है एक्चुअली यूज्ड टू लिफ्ट माय लेग एंड पुट इट इन द कार, क्योंकि मैं हिल नहीं सका उस टाइम पे। और मुंबई में आके एक और ऑपरेशन किया मैंने, तो 3 नी सर्जरीज हुए मेरे। But I think by the end of it, I think the result was good for the knee also and for the film also. So सब ठीक था, लेकिन एक्शन में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है, but it's fun.
John, here towards your left. In Force, we saw you lifting the bike, and now we see you lifting the car. I remember during one of the promotional events, you had even picked bike. Are there any such plans for Force 2? And is it a conscious decision on your part to include at least one such heavy scene in the movie?
I think Force is about power, and I think it was Abhinay and Vipul's decision to continue, the character of ACP Yashvardhan, and it was the way they set honestly, it was the way Abhinay set the entire scene up. The only input I had in lifting the car was how my posture looked, very honestly. So I give credit to him for really doing this. But I think it's important that Force stands for certain things. And I think what Abhinay has done very smartly in this film is not only has he got out the power element, but this film also has a fantastic story. When you see the trailer, it says dedicated to the heroes who lost their lives. And that's something we discussed. This is based actually on, if I may say so, Vipul, this is actually based on true events. So by the end of the film, you'll be shocked. So it's a lot, we were inspired by a lot of true events that we've put together. So there's a lot of credibility in the story. So I think, yes, to answer your question, it's great to show ACP Yashvardhan very powerful, but it's also important to have a good story.